Hello everyone, welcome back to LEXI'S World. I have some baby spinach here and I have butternut squash. Alright, I'm just gonna use the butternut squash. I'm gonna roast some of the butternut squash, make a salad, alright, with of course homemade dressing, and it's also considered a healthy. So let's get started. Before we get started, please do not forget to please like, share and subscribe on my channel. Thank you. I'm going to use part of it, alright? So the first thing I'll start with is my butternut squash, alright? So I'm just gonna peel it. There I have my oven also preheating at 350 just to roast this, okay? Alright, so here's my butternut squash. I washed it and everything. So basically what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just put 1.5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. So what I did, I just add a tip of sea salt in there, okay? So just going to roast it for a bit. So here's my tray that I'm going to use. I just put some wax paper and I'm just gonna add it. I have my oven preheating at 350. I'm gonna add my butternut squash in the oven for a bit, and while it's roasting I'm going to start with my dressing next. Alright, so let's get started. So I'll start with the dressing, alright? So I have a 1/3 cup 80 ml of orange juice. I'm using orange juice in this one, alright? So I add my orange juice first. I'm gonna do 1/4, that's 60 ml of virgin olive oil. I'm gonna put a tablespoon of red wine vinegar, alright? I have DIJON mustard. I'll use a tablespoon, alright? I have a tablespoon DIJON mustard. So I have maple syrup. I'm going to use some maple syrup here. I'm going to use 1.5 tablespoons. I just put a pinch of sea salt in there. So my dressing is all ready. So there goes my homemade dressing, alright? So I'll shake it for a bit because of the DIJON mustard. I have my spinach. I use 5 ounces of spinach. I washed my spinach and cleaned them already. So I'm just going to, okay, so my spinach is here. So I'm going to make my salad in this container. This is the water from the spinach it leaves over. That's why it's very important to use a spinner and spin your vegetables or your any lettuce or salad, okay? I'm gonna put a bit of sunflower seeds in my salad. I'm gonna add a little bit of hemp hearts, okay? Not a lot. So of course, I give you a salad for New Year's. So you can add this to your table if you're having dinner for New Year's. It's very simple. If you want to add more spinach, you can add more of the baby spinach. And then I made my homemade dressing, of course. I use orange juice. The DIJON mustard will clump up, so you have to shake it well. Alright? And so here's your New Year's salad. And Happy New Year's to you all. I hope hope you have a really good New Year's dinner. Very healthy. I did the healthy part for you. Now, enjoy. And thank you for watching my video. Please do not forget to please like, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you.